Hello friends, welcome back to English with Confidence. Today, we are going to learn one of the most useful tenses in English, the present continuous tense. Let's begin. The present continuous tense is used to talk about actions that are happening right now or around this time. For example, she is driving to work. I am making tea. They are playing cricket. We use it when something is happening at this moment or something that is not yet finished. Let's look at the structure. Subject plus am or is or are plus verb plus ing. Let's understand how to make sentences in present continuous tense. Look at this table. The subject is the person or thing doing the action. The helping verb is am, is, or are. It changes based on the subject. Then, we add the main verb plus ing form. I goes with am. So we say, I am reading a book. He, she, or it goes with is. For example, she is watching TV. We, you, they go with are. Like, they are playing football. Let's see how we use present continuous in daily life. Please don't disturb me. I'm trying to work. Where's Rahul? He is having a shower. Look, it's raining. You are working hard today. It shows actions happening now or temporary actions. But sometimes it doesn't mean right now. It can also mean something that is in progress. I'm reading a great book these days. She's learning Italian. They are building a new house. These actions are not happening this second, but they are still not finished. We also use present continuous to show change or development. My English is getting better. Prices are rising quickly. I'm starting to like this job. These actions show progress. Let's quickly review. Use am or is, are plus verb ing for actions happening now or around now for temporary actions or changes. Now, it's your turn. Write a sentence in the comments using present continuous. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. See you in the next video.